speaking of cars, one of the things I wish that I could do in the Tesla is run Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and you can't. It's got its own interface. It's a good interface, but sometimes you just want to have your phone on your screen completely. Sure. Well, Lucid, the Lucid Air, apparently is actually going to enable this, even though they have their whole own custom thing, just like Tesla. Apparently, they're going to give you the option. And we have a little demo of what that will look like. It's not really formatted perfectly for the shape of the screen in the Lucid Air. And by the way, this story is on Inside EVs. Apple CarPlay seen running on Lucid Air screen at test drive event. So it's going to be some kind of a major update for their interface, which will be another option compared to their proprietary infotainment system. It'll be capable of Android Auto, I believe, as well, but it's being shown off right now with Apple CarPlay. And this was posted on Reddit. It's just an image at the moment. My delivery person at the service center said that CarPlay should be in the next major update. Major updates are released once per quarter, so sometime soon, likely in a couple of months. And so unlike Tesla, they're not taking a hard stance on your ability to run software from your major smartphone provider. But as you can tell, it's a little ugly looking because it just isn't formatted correctly.
Yeah.
Because the display in the Air, it's a sort of custom shape. Go ahead, Will.
Would you be okay with this?
Well, the thing is that there are advantages to running Android Auto or CarPlay, like little nuances, things that I notice. That some apps, for example, that I think are better, sound better, as opposed to strictly over Bluetooth or something. Now, there's obviously wireless. Mm-hmm. There's a comparison there between wireless Android Auto and Android Auto with a cable. Phone calls seem to function better than just strictly over Bluetooth.
And if you're used to Android Auto, then, it's much easier for you to navigate, I guess.
It's just all right there. Oh, and I'm missing the best part that I use every single time I'm in the car, which is Google Assistant.
Right.
Every time I'm in the car, I use it. Now, could you use Google Assistant just with your phone sitting next to you? Sure. But when it's coming through the car audio system, I'll just ask questions sometimes, Will. Me and the kids would just ask questions. Would see a sign or some kind of trivia, it's crazy the way we use it. It's so entertaining. Sometimes, this is no word of a lie. If I got to go on a long drive or something, there'll be times where I would just be asking Assistant, just talking to Assistant. I'll just be saying, hey, what about this? Yeah. What about that? And I'm talking about trivia style questions about a particular city or about a particular building or some sort of trade or deal that happened or the results of a sporting event. You'd be amazed, man. You can kill time doing this stuff through your car audio system. Very seamless, and there's no substitute for Assistant at the moment. Not in any car that I've tried. So that's my argument for, what I think would end up happening. At first, I'd be like, this is so ugly, but then I would use it because I will want my Assistant back so badly. Sure. So I'd end up using it. But that's me. It's not for everybody. That's me.